Ever pondered on a fun and creative way to celebrate autumn? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're going to create a DIY upcycle faceless scarecrow, a unique, eco-friendly project that makes use of things you've probably got lying around your house. Hang tight till the end to see how it all comes together. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need old clothes, stuffing, scissors, a needle and thread, buttons, straw, twine, a hot glue gun, black felt, and googly eyes. Start by cutting 2 large triangles of fabric for the scarecrow's head and body. Sew these triangles together, leaving a small opening at the bottom. Once sewn, turn the scarecrow right side out and stuff it firmly before sewing the opening closed. Next, repeat this process with 2 smaller triangles for the scarecrow's arms. Remember to stuff them lightly before sewing the opening closed. You can then sew these arms to the sides of the scarecrow's body. Now, for the face. Cut out a small square of black felt for the scarecrow's nose and hot glue it onto the face, followed by the googly eyes. Then, stuff a small amount of straw into the scarecrow's head and secure it with a piece of twine tied around the neck. The final touch? Dress your scarecrow in old clothes and decorate with buttons. And voila! You've just created your very own DIY upcycle faceless scarecrow. Perfect for positioning in your garden or on your porch to welcome your autumn guests. But don't stop there. Make this project your own. You could use different types of fabric, hand sew the scarecrow, or decorate with leaves, berries, or sticks. Why not give your scarecrow a funny or spooky expression, add a hat or scarf, or even position it in an unexpected location for a fun surprise? Take it a step further and share a video of your scarecrow on social media with the hashtag #UpcycleFacelessScarecrow. Challenge your friends and family to create their own and share them too. With a dash of creativity, you can easily create a viral DIY upcycle faceless scarecrow that's sure to be the talk of your neighborhood this autumn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas. Until next time, happy crafting!